Electricity is a blessing in our daily life, but careless handling can turn it into a deadly danger. Every year, hundreds of homes and factories face electrical fires, most of them caused by very simple mistakes. One of the major causes of electrical fires is overloading. When you connect too many devices to one multi-plug or power socket, it draws more current than the wire can handle. This builds up heat, melts the insulation, and starts a fire. Another common reason is the use of low-quality circuit breakers. A circuit breaker is designed to trip when the current flow becomes dangerous. But if the breaker is substandard or old, it may fail to trip in time, allowing a fire to start. Loose connections inside a power socket or plug point also create sparks. This is called arcing, and it's extremely dangerous. It silently burns the wire from inside until it finally explodes or catches fire. Using multi-plugs with heavy appliances like irons, fridges, or air conditioners is a big mistake. These devices need direct connection with proper wiring. Poor maintenance and dust accumulation inside the breaker box or plug point also increase the chance of short circuits. In many cases, wires are not rated for the load. If a thin wire is used to power a large machine, it gets overheated and can ignite instantly. So what should you do? Heavy checkmark, always use certified circuit breakers. Heavy checkmark, avoid overloading sockets or multi-plugs. Heavy checkmark, use proper wiring rated for your equipment. Heavy checkmark, keep your electrical panels clean and dry. Heavy checkmark, and never ignore a burning smell or a warm socket. It could be your last warning. Electricity is powerful. Respect it. Use it safely.